All right, here we are at Westmoreland Sanctuary's Wheeler Field, one of 6 conservation islands that we manage for our native wildlife. This particular site is managed for our native pollinating insects, and it's planted with an array of wildflowers that have what we call a constant blooming cycle. It means that there's always something in bloom here, whether it's early spring all the way through late autumn. So right next to me is a flower called Coreopsis. These ones started blooming around a month or 2 ago, and you can see most of them are on the tail end now. So this is one of our spring blooming plants. Immediately to my right is another wonderful native wildflower called wild bergamot. This is a species that blooms throughout the middle of the summer. The flowers are wonderful, they last for a fairly long time, and you can see there's a bunch of great native pollinators on it. Right here is a plant called goldenrod, and as we transition into autumn, this is a plant that will be blooming with bright yellow flowers through September and October. So we'll have a constant source of pollen and nectar for our native pollinating insects. These are all plants that are super low maintenance. They're super hardy because they're native to this area, and it would be very easy to landscape with them in your own home garden. I know we have them in kind of a meadow format here, but the goldenrod next to the wild bergamot in a flower bed creates a wonderful color contrast that's both aesthetically pleasing and helpful for our wildlife. So if you're interested in supporting our native wildlife populations, it is really easy to landscape with these plants. And if everyone were to do it, we'd create an area of suitable habitat bigger than all of our national parks combined.